Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set your email address in the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the view menu. Then we tap on our name or our profile picture. Tap on it again. And here we have email and we can tap on edit. And now you can enter the new email address that you want to use for this account. So if you have lost access to the email address that your account was created with, you can enter a new one here and then continue on with the process of changing your email address just by tapping on continue. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.